everyone, welcome to DecoArt's Craft Minute. I'm Crimson. Today I'm going to be talking about 3 different techniques to use masking tape when you're painting. It's really popular right now and it's super fun and easy to do. The first one you're going to do is you're just going to stick on some masking tape on some wax paper and you draw on any design you want and cut it out and you make your own template and you just stick it onto a dry canvas any way you'd like. The next one, you're going to make a geometric pattern on your canvas, and obviously you just stick that on wherever you like. The third one is you're going to tear that masking tape into different designs and stick it on, and you're going to paint over a top coat onto those designs. I'm showing you 3 different techniques on one canvas, but you get the idea, and you just pull that tape up and it reveals a super cool design that's really fun. And if you have any touch-ups you need to do, you just paint along the edges with a flat brush and you have a very easy and fun design. Hope you try this out. Have a good day. Bye. See you tomorrow.